Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing one of the most useful and effective brain training programs that I've come across in my memory training. So we've already established the fact that our brain needs to be stimulated on a regular basis in order to stay fit. And just like a balanced exercise regime for the body contains many different exercises that stimulate different parts of our body and different muscles of our body in order to keep our body fit. So just like that, a balanced exercise regime for our brain contains many different exercises that will stimulate different parts of our brain. And the combination of these different exercises will cause the neurons of your brain to strengthen, allowing you to learn better and perform better in everything that you do. And the following program actually causes your different parts of your brain to work and synchronize with each other through various brain exercises. The brain fitness program that I want to introduce today is called BrainBuilder. Now, this program is specially designed to improve our memory and attention, to sharpen our focus and allow us to have clearer thinking. It enhances our visual and auditory processing. It improves our overall brain fitness, and it increases our brain speed, as well as strengthens our ability to actually solve problems. I've been using BrainBuilder from the very beginning of my mental fitness journey, and I can tell you that it has really helped me in being more mentally sharp. It's improved my focus a lot, and it's increased my memory retention as well. BrainBuilder consists of many different brain exercises that are quite fun and enjoyable. And it only takes 15 to 20 minutes a day to do. So it makes it easier for you to commit to doing it every day, even if you have a busy schedule. And we all played games at some point in our lives for entertainment. And we know that they are enjoyable. Well, BrainBuilder feels like you're playing a game while also making your brain stronger. Let me show you the program looks like and show you its features so that you can get a better idea of it. So BrainBuilder actually offers you your own personal coach during your training. And when you first start, it assesses your current level so that it can design your training sessions according to you. And as you continue to do the training, it's going to track your progress and adjust your training sessions according to your performance in each day's session. Seeing my progress always motivates me because it shows me how I'm actually improving in each session in a particular skill set. This program also contains many different levels, from bronze all the way to master, keeping you engaged and challenged. It also includes more than 20 interactive visual and auditory brain training exercises, so it'll allow more than one of your senses to be involved when you're training. And also, in the beginning and end of each session, you will hear and see some relaxing music and scenery, which is designed to be there in order to relax your body and prepare you for optimal cognitive performance. At the start of each session, it's going to ask you at what level you want to train at that day. So if you feel especially alert, you could choose the challenging level. Or if you feel a little unwell, then you can always go for the easy level. Using this program regularly has allowed me to improve my sequential processing, which is the ability to receive, hold, process, and utilize information in an orderly manner. Also, this is not a paid promotion at all. I only share these equipments and programs with all of you because they've helped me in optimizing my brain's potential. And so they will also assist you in improving your brain's health and performance. Using this program will dramatically increase your brain's performance, mental agility, and organization, allowing you to succeed personally, professionally, and academically. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then you can also look at this video right here, in which I share a powerful brain tool that you can use anytime to memorize any piece of information efficiently. And for more brain tips, please subscribe. Thank you.